Alright guys, so sorry the camera's a bit dark at the moment, but I'm currently in a trade and we're waiting for this to go up and hopefully it hits my take profit. Not quite sure what it's doing here at the moment. This is a place where I shouldn't have entered, but I should have waited for confirmation before I took an entry. You just got to stay calm because this is what the trap is. So as soon as you get into this trap where you start losing trades, you start spiraling out of control and you start force trading. So we're going to try not to force trade and spiral out of control. We're going to just ride it out now that we're in. So we need some huge bullish candles, huge, targeting the highs down here. We are currently in a fair value gap. I should have waited for rejection before I went in with the entry. Retest possibly, change of character, break of structure. I should have. But let's see. Hopefully this plays out. And if it does, it'll be good for us. And if it doesn't, then I got to start from scratch again. Fire up. Keep going, baby. Oh, don't reverse now. Just keep going up. We need you to stay up. Okay. This is what I don't like when it goes around about here because we're in a fucking downtrend and I shouldn't have really entered. Should have waited for a break for structure and then entered from a point of interest. But I need some big bullish candles right now. Not even small, I need huge bullish candles. Just to show us that the buyers have come in. Not this. This what it's doing right now is just fucking stupid. Had this been trailing drawdown, this would have been stress. Stress anyway. But if it was trailing drawdown, it would have been more stress. Come on, break past this. That'd be bloody awesome. And it'd be good for content as well, wouldn't it? Let's go! People show their winning trades all the time. No one really puts on a losing trade. And I could tell you exactly why this is a wrong trade. Well, I have told you. On the smaller time frame, we're in a downtrend. On the bigger time frame, we're on a retracement pullback. I should have waited and I didn't. It's okay. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it'll go into our favor right now. And if it can just push all the way up, push out, just go massive bullish candles. Just fucking pump it up, motherfucker. Come on. Let's go, baby. Look at that. Just keeps going. This is what I hate, where I enter from and it keeps pissing about near there and then it just goes into drawdown. You want minimum or less drawdown as possible. Fast push up to the upside right now with bullish candles. That'll be great for us. Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, that's it. Next candle started. So every time I enter in a stupid area, it always consolidates in that area on the 1 minute candles. It's a piece of shit. Let's go. Imagine if it just gave us 2 strong candles and hit take profit. That would be absolute mental. Don't really like watching a trade. I like to set and forget. I like to set and forget when it's in an amazing area. And this just keeps consolidating in the same fucking spot. Sorry, my language. But I'm making these videos for content. We're currently on Alpha Futures at the moment. Funded account. Come on, baby. It's so slow. Keep pushing up to the upside. We want bullish candles. Big bulls candles. Bullish ones. Huge bulls. Alright, let's stop singing. Let's fucking trade. The thing is, people say, oh yeah, we trade. Well, you ain't do shit. You're just gonna put on a trade and you have to sit there like a fat, lazy prick. Wait till it fucking hits your take profit or stop loss. And mine is fucking just consolidating. Come on, baby. This is stress. You know, like, this is the stress. I'm stressed, so I act like this. I like to just go. Just come on, baby. You know I love you, and I'll always love you. See, this is what's pissing me off, yeah? Right now, it's going, then it gets stuck in that area, and then it pushes down. Then it gets stuck in the area, then it pushes down. Then it gets stuck in the area, and it pushes down. It's not good. Just consolidating in one spot. If I just get about 3 or 4 big bullish candles, that'll be amazing for us. Pop up the volume. Come on, baby. You want to see my big fat head? Instead, let's go. Main camera. Yeah, guys, so currently in a trade at the moment. I'm in the morning. No, man. See, this is what happens. Like, I'm trying to make content, but I'm there sitting, staring at my screen like, come on, you're in the trade. You got to stay calm. Like, it's going to do 2 things. It'll go up, hit your take profit. It'll go up close to your take profit and come back down. Or 3 things. or it'll hit your stop loss. Or 4 things. It'll go right near your stop loss and then push back up again and it won't stop you out. There's so many different things that this can do. But there's only 2 things it can do really. It'll either hit your stop loss or hit your take profit. And that's it. So let's see what it's doing right now. Boom. So these candles, they're not promising. It's not showing me that it's pushing up hard. Like I need bigger candles to show me that there's more momentum and volume in the market and to just go hit this take profit. And that would be just amazing for me. But it's just pissing about. We don't know what it's doing right now. But I'm just going to leave my take profit there. I'm not moving it. Let's see how much I can do actually, because that might be, it's about right. Let me see. 5, 11. Yeah. I will leave that in there and just let it play out. So yeah, as you want to make the video entertaining, you can't because you're just in a trade and you're not stressed, but you're just continuing watching your trade play out. So at this moment, I would have just probably walked off and let it do its thing. But we are here. La 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 la. Need big bullish candles. Big. Like get 1 candle that's up till there and then get another candle that's up to there. There 2 candles. Pop. Me done for the day. Let me come back tomorrow. I'll show you where we're at. Look. 0 qualified, so we're in the funded stage. We got 1 leader, we got 1 follower. Need a huge bullish candle just to show us that, come on baby, the big fat juicy bulls are in bullish. Let's go. All right, yo bro, I don't know why these guys do live. It's hard, you know, to sit there on a live account, trading, showing the world what you're doing, but my God, there's no motherfucking volume. Give us a big ass candle, motherfucker. Pump it up, bitch ass motherfucker. Sorry, I'm swearing again. I shouldn't be. You guys want the mic closer to my mouth so you can hear me swear more. All right, let's go. Come on, baby. We want big bullish candles to show us that the buyers are in control. I don't want it to still show me that, okay, we still need to go down to retrace more, to pick up some momentum, take out some orders. No, we want you to just go up, fill my order in first, then go back and then do what you want afterwards. But first, come on, man, have some respect for me and my trading career. Keep going, baby. Up. All right, shitty little candle. We need some more big bullish candles. Let's go. To be fair, it's gonna reverse from here, so we need to just take out. I should have just took it out at the 400 mark. All right, let's just get out here because no, go up, because it is gonna reverse and then it's gonna piss me off. Can't just leave it in and see what it does. If it gives us 2, 3 big bullish candles, come on, man, don't give me baby candle 4. We need to come out. It's gonna reverse here. See, come on, baby. 1 more entry, big boy.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's me out. Okay, so that's, you can see that's $158 profit. The reason I took this trade out here, now let me tell you guys, there can be a retracement into this little area here and then another push up, okay? But the reason I took it out is because we're still on a downtrend. Yeah, we're still on a downtrend and the candles are struggling. There's no volume, there's no momentum. So let me just explain to you what I was trying to do. All right, so let's get up trading view. So this is how I do it. I'll go on to trading view. Look, this can go here, collect some momentum and then continue pushing up. But I just wanted to take out because I was in drawdown as well. So I thought I'd rather just take it out and then leave it in for another day. All right, let me bring up trading view because this is annoying me. So I was analyzing my trade on trading view and taking my trade on alpha futures. This is what I do. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be putting a code up at the top of the screen for alpha futures. It's a discount code. You can use that if you want to get a discount for every time you make a purchase. You get some money off. Look, I told you it's going to go in that fair value gap and start pushing up. Look, I would have made another couple $100 there. Trading view. Let me show them what I was doing. Right, we're waiting for a change of character, break of structure. So this is gonna, if this breaks here, we're gonna look for an entry down here. So let me show you. All right, so I'm on the 30 minute. We can see there's been a huge push up. So I've marked out my swing low to the swing high. I've got my Fibonacci tool out. I've checked that is hit below, it's coming to the 50% area, and there's a fair value gap here. There's an imbalance. So it's not really smart money and ICT. I don't trade none of that. I just follow market structure. All I follow, market structure. As you can see here previously, there's a trade here and hit there. So that's a 30-minute. Let's have a look at the 1 hour, what the 1 hour was doing. See, you can see the 1 hour is forming a nice candle as well. And there's a massive fair value gap from the top to the bottom here. But we shrunk it down into the 30-minute. There you go, into the 30 minutes. And now this has come into the 50% area, tiny bit below, which is good for us. I would have liked it to retrace a bit lower, but as you can see, it's a push up and it's a pull down. Zoomed in every single time frame on the 1 minute, waiting for a change of character, break of structure. Same thing, innit? And then a massive push to the upside. But I was in drawdown. I force traded. I did a revenge trade. I shouldn't have. I should have waited, and I didn't. And as soon as I got into profits, I took my trade out because I knew this was incorrect and anything can happen at any time because it's not changed character, nor did it break structure. So we did take out $264 of drawdown, made that back, and plus $150 on top. I was targeting higher, always target higher, but I was not in the right area to do that. So we're waiting for, this was the pullback, pushed down, couldn't break below the protected low, pushed up and broke structure. So now it came into this area here and it's pushing up. Okay, because I did an incorrect trade and my psychology looks like it's playing up a little bit, not following the plan, I think that's going to be me out for today. I'm not trading because another wrong move will just make it all spiral out of control. And then instead of me losing 260, luckily I made it back with profit on top. I don't want to be losing $1,000, $2,000 when I can be making $1,000, $2,000. Sometimes you just got to know when to stop, pack it in and get out. If the market's not moving exactly how you want it to be moving, and I've been sitting here since 8 o'clock and now it's 10:30 a.m. So that's 2.5 hours and the chart stopped playing with your brain. So sometimes you just need to get off, take a break, because I can still come back in for the New York session. And this is doing exactly what I wanted it to be doing now. Look, if I go to the trading screen on the right, it came into this little fair value gap. Let me mark it out for you. Let me show you. Oh, don't do that. Let me show you what's going on down here. Look, came slightly into this fair value gap. Oh, there you go. Oh, but shrunk it a little bit too much. But yeah, you can see it tapped into it and then it pushed up. So that would have I would have been able to take my money out where I took my money out, re-entered again from the correct area where I was supposed to enter from, and I would have made $300 to $400, maybe $500. That's how trading works. You enter too early and it's problems. You got to execute correct. You enter too late, you've missed the trade and you could get caught in a pullback. You enter too early, it can reverse on you at any time and stop you out. That's me done for today. I'm not in the markets any longer for today. That's me done. I might come back in at the New York session. I might not. We'll see. But that's how real trading goes. Let me just quickly show you this. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to be doing. Look, I called it. Now, this is for the higher time frame. As you can see, look, it's broken this structure here. Broke that structure there. Very slightly, but it's moving. So, look, that would have went in and hit my take profit. Look at that. Boom, motherfucker.